Hello again. And so I'm just continue with my subject. We enter in the previous video the purchase requisition. Now we are entering the purchase order on the basis of purchase requisition. So we go back to main menu. Now we are entering a purchase order. So purchase order for purchase acquisition it's ME51N. For purchase order it's ME21N. As I told you in my previous video that you have to make sure that the purchase acquisition is approved, otherwise you cannot do this function. So there's two ways to enter purchase order. In fact, three ways. First way is from the purchase requisition. You enter the purchase requisition number here and data will automatically fetch up. This first way. The second way is that you just click this create button and you enter it. And the third way is, like we are using it. You just click this button, select any previous PO. If all the things are same, cost, center, everything, you just mention the purchase order number here, like purchase document here. So I will take any purchase document. Let me check in my record any purchase. Okay, just for the example, select here. There's another further. You can just simply one here and process it, or if there are more than 3-4 purchase orders you want to check or something else, you have to click here and just copy paste from the Excel from here all the, like I will do it. I copy this thing, so copy and paste all. So what will happen, just like this, so all purchase order will come here. So if you double click this, it will open it here and you can check which purchase order you have to copy it. Just check that call center is there and everything is there. So that's the one you have to just copy it and change the invoice. If it is, that's the one 49 ending with 49, you just press create button, blank window will come and you have to just drag it. So when you drag it, so it copy everything. Only thing you have to change is the delivery date, because the previous purchase order has a previous delivery which may be already passed, so it is not possible. So in delivery schedule, just change the date, current or the future one. You have to select either of the things. So just change it and save it. Your purchase order will be copied accordingly. If you want to change any price, anything, you can change it. So this is how you can just copy from the previous one. But just remember, if you double click any purchase order, it will open it, it will not copy it. So if you do some changes, like, so you are changing this PO, the 951 ending with 951, you are changing in this, you are not creating a new. So don't do this. Double click this and click change button and change it. It will change this PO, not the new one. So to copy it and change, you have to just first you have to search it. If it is single one, you can select here. If it is more than one, you can select here. And after finding it, like if we just select a single one, sorry, just put anything here, like for example we select 2, so 2 will come. So if I just want to copy this one, just select this and put in the cart. So all the data related will come here. You can change the delivery date, make it today and save it. So new PO is created ending with 955. So this is how you can do. So this is one way. Second way is that you can do manually everything entered. This is another, and the third way I told you that you can just copy the purchase acquisition, like in our case ending with 388. Just go there, purchase acquisition, paste it here, enter it. So all data relating to this will come here. Purchase org, you can enter it. Right. Everything looks fine. Just check it. No message. Save it. So we got the purchase number ending with 56. Just copied it somewhere. We need to use this thing. So next step is approval. If you don't approve it, then in the next stages, one more thing I have to show you. Go back. Will okay. To change it, there's another way. First way I showed you from here. The other way is purchase order. Just it will pick the latest one. So this is our PO ending with 56. So I have to show you the invoice thing. Yeah, it is two way. It is not three way. It is two way. Like if means that I will do another video for this. Only in brief. If in this case, if I don't receive a good and I receive an invoice, I can enter it invoice. System will not stop me. But if I select this GR, it's mean in Migo, first I have to receive the goods, then I can enter invoice. But in this case, I can do it. So you can change it. You can change if you want to change it. You can still change it. But I will do another video to show you two-way or three-way things. And delivery date should be account assignment is important thing. Call center, you just check the call center. And once you do any activity like Migo, receive the goods, or Myro, there's another tab will come here, purchase history. It will be added here. As there's no activity, there's no tab here. So now the next step is for this one to enter our PO is ME21N. Now we have to approve it. So it is ME29N, I believe. ME29. Release, yes, release. So you have to find your PO as we copied it. So we just paste it, 56, process it. So see, right now it's in some other PO ending with 941. Our is 56. So double click it. It will open it and the release status is there. Press this change button. Now simply do this. You can check all are tick and indicate is one. Save it. Now we have to receive a goods. So go to Migo. Select this purchase receipt, purchase order number. Again, we will just paste our purchase order. Select the activity type, movement type 101 according to your company requirements. So we have 10 units. All data is fetched from the PO, cost center, profit center, everything is there. You just have to click OK. But if you want to change it, like instead of 10 you receive 8, you can make it 8. If once you change here, automatically it change at the top as well. Change here, okay. So select this OK from here as well. You can select it, and also see it is now gray out. But if you click this, yeah, sometimes if there's two lines, when you click the another line, it will you can select this one. But in this case, only one. So just select this. And if you want to see the details where unloading, you can check it out here. Everything is there. Call center, material, all details are here. But if you want to change the quantity, you have to select this theme and press the check button. Deficit of PO order quantity 2. Okay, it's alarm deficit. Okay, so now we have to post it. So a new purchased material document is created, this one, and you can copy it, but there's no requirement, as you can find this thing in PO as well. So we go back to, just for your information, we go back to ME21N, find, or you can find it from here as well, and you can from here as well. Hour is ending with 56. So see, this purchase order history tab has come. So this is good received in Migo. This is the document number. Now when we do the invoicing, the invoice number will come here as well, and it shows as well that the PO quantity is 10. We will receive 8, and let's see what will happen in the invoice. So for the invoice is MIRO, Miro or Miro. So just enter the date, invoice date, reference annual A1, any reference you can, and after that you have to select this purchase order and copy the purchase. All the data will come here from here and enter it. So everything is coming here, only quantity is there. So it's up to you that you can enter the you can enter whatever the quantity and the amount. So let's see, as the PO is for 10 but we receive 8. If we enter 10, let's see what will happen, because invoice should be 8. Yeah, it allows us, because in the it's two-way, as I told you, that it is not restricting us. In PO ME21 I show you that if we select this GR base, it will restrict at that time. So it allows us to enter amount even we receive less amount. So let's go back. ME21N, find your PO ending with 56, change it, go to invoice. Now it is gray out, so you cannot change right now. But you can do one thing, like if you select this final invoice, now what will happen, it will the Miro, it will restrict the invoice according to the GR. So in GR we receive 8 quantity instead of 10, we receive 8 quantity. So before, the system is allowing us to enter the invoice for full 10 quantity. Now the system should restrict us. So let's see what will happen. Save as, go back to Miro, enter today's date, any reference number, paste your document number, quantity 10, final invoice. See, invoice documents still contain message. Let's see the message. Reversal contract greater than the, okay. So because this is cost center stock, so it is a different thing. That's why it is not giving restrict us. So, but in if it is not cost center material, so it will not allow you to enter further, because it's when you select the final invoice or GRIR tick in ME21, it will restrict you up till the amount of quantity you receive in Migo. So that's the reason it is not allowing. So see, it's 800. Yeah, this is because the material we selected with the cost center, so that's why it is showing the negative entry. But this is how the things work. You simply save this thing, and this is the last step. So I hope you like this video, and in another video I will show how in actual world this Miro thing work, because this Miro thing in practically we don't use it. It is automated, so I will show you how to automate the things. And another thing, yeah, to check the PO, what should enter is there's a report ME, I think ME9F. Yeah, enter your document number to print the PO. See, purchase document number, purchase document number. Select your PO, print out it, anything you can just display or everything. So it will. Oh, I have to select this one. I just select this one or that one. The database is busy right now, so it is taking time. And I hope you like the video. And in the next video, I will show how to do this two-way and three-way thing. And if you like the video, just select the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.